so much for tuning in and hanging out with us. For this week's DIY, you guys will be seeing this a lot because most of my videos will be here. So this is what we're doing today, and I'm so in love with them. These are my special babies. I've been wanting this clean, modern, boho design for my living room. So I already had these, they already existed in my house for a couple of years now. So all I did was I used the baking soda with the regular painting. It can be any painting that you have at home besides polish, of course. No nail polish to it, just any paint. Anyway, so that's all I did. Check it out.
So this is going to be the very first one that we're going to be working on it. And I also have this other one that I'm working on as well. It's kind of damaged from daily usage. Now I'm gonna add baking soda to my color. This is the designated color for this project. I'm just applying it here. Also, when you add the baking soda, make sure that your color is not runny. Okay, you don't want a runny color. I applied 2 coats on it, and I did the same process on the other side table on the yellow one. Unfortunately, I did not record the process I did to color on the yellow one, but it's the very same one as this, just different color, like I said. And voila, this is the final look for this side table, and I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this because it's exactly what I was looking for, this grainy matte finish to it. I hope you guys liked it.